Hello everyone, welcome to Unpod. In this video, we will write a blog using Unpod.Ai. So let's get started. First, click on this Ask button and type here the topic of your blog. So let me type here. So our topic is AI agents in finance, predictive analytics and algorithmic trading. Click on this arrow button and within few seconds, Unpod Pilot will write a blog on the given topic and then we can use this blog anywhere and we will uh, we will see how we can publish this blog on Unpod so that you can grab Unpod's audience as well. So let it be completed. So as we can see, Unpod Pilot has started writing a blog for us. So it's completed now. Now, if we want to publish this on Unpod, so first we need to copy this and then click on Spaces and click on this right button, paste your blog here, give a title. So our title is AI agents in finance, predictive analytics, and algorithmic trading. So if you want to modify this block, you can easily make changes. After making changes, you just need to click on this save draft and publish. Now our blog is live on Unpod. Click on this space. Now we can see our blog is live. So now anybody can read your blog. Anyone can ask you regarding this blog. So this is how easy you can write blogs. You can do script writing as well. So that's it in this video, guys. Thanks for watching.